First, we will learn about a email related management. For example, you would like to know what are the mails you have been received. From where we can check. Here, left side arrow key is there. There we can check the email. In the inbox we have. Okay, these are the inbox we have today, which you have been received yesterday. Like this, you can check the date basis mail. Okay, daily wise we can check the mail. This is about a inbox. For example, if you like to go to from the draft which are there in a draft, you can check here. Okay, here you will be getting a mail detail. Here you will getting a complete detail about a mail. Here you will get a highlights of the mail. For example, if you go to back to inbox, you selected. For example, you would like to know about what mail it is selected here. Okay, here on the right hand side it will be given all the detail. Okay, once you have been read a detail, for example, if you like to reply to that particular mail, you can reply here by using this option, reply option in a home tab itself. Reply option is that you can reply. Only thing is you need to have an active internet connection. Okay, then only you can reply. Otherwise, if you are not having an active internet connection, you will be saved in a draft. So you can reply all in the sense if anyone is there apart from it is sent from multiple attachments are there, then we can reply to all of them by using a reply all option. And one more thing is there a forward option. Okay, we can forward to anyone. Okay, we can forward to a person whom you like, in the sense your manager, or you would like to forward it to any of the your teammates. You can directly click on here forward option, and you can write their email address and you can forward them. Okay, if you don't want, discard. Okay, for example, here more option, forward as an attachment. This particular email has been forwarded as an attachment, not be forwarded as an email. Okay, then if you like to apply any flags, okay, you can apply a flags also. Flags is not a very important email, then you can apply it as a important. Okay, like this we can apply the flag. For this particular email it will not be possible because it has a restriction. Okay, like this we can apply a flag. And we can make it as a unread also. For example, here mail already we have been read. If you like to make it as a unread, we can select here unread option. Again it will come back to a not an readed, as a readed. Okay, like this we can manage. If you like to, here already it has been flagged. For example, this particular mail you have been selected. If you like to delete this particular mail, selected already, and here we have a delete option so that we can delete the mail. Okay, like this only we can say it as a archive also. Selected this one. Okay, one more folder will created temporarily. It will be there, in the sense whatever you have been said archive, it will be there in your system, but it will not be there in a inbox. It will be in a separate folder. It is like a recycle bin. Okay, like this we can manage, in the sense we can delete, we can achieve, we can reply to the mail, we can forward your mail, you can attach a flag. Okay, we can make it as a read and unread. Some of the things we have been discussed. Much more about email management will be taken in a next video.